Hi, I'm Sam from Hanko Trade, and today in this short video I'm going to show you how to download the Hanko ActTrader platform and also log into your account. So let's get started. When you're at hankotrade.com, I want you to go ahead and scroll down so we can download the Hanko ActTrader platform. And where you see Windows, we're going to go ahead and just click on it. Once clicked, the downloads should start automatically. Now I'm going to go ahead and click Open File. And now we're at the Setup Wizard. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next. Next again. Install. Next again. And finally, Finish. And there we are. The software has been downloaded and we're at the welcome screen. So it's time to log in. If you look on the left-hand side, you're going to see a login area or a login button even. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And here you have your username, password, account type, and also language. So your username and password should be given to you already. I want you to go ahead and enter your username and password. And under account type, depending on which type of account you have, so if you're trading on the real or live account, you want to go ahead and use real. If you're trading on a demo account, make sure demo is selected. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my username and password now. So I've entered my username and password and I'm going to go ahead and click on Login. Now we just wait for it to download all the files. Now you will be greeted with this screen as well. So it says please select initial layout. You can always change this choice once you are logged in the application. So you have two different versions or two different layouts, beginner or advanced. For this example, we're going to go ahead and stick to beginner, but like it says, you can change it later on. And there we are. This is the Hanko ActTrader platform. And as you can see, it's fully featured. And we will be going through how you can edit all sorts of different things, customize everything in this program, how to use the buy and sell, stop loss, take profit, etc. But for this video, it was just about how to download and log in. But we're also going to show you now how to log in using the WebTrader platform. So if we go back to hankotrade.com, we're going to go ahead and log in using the WebTrader. So this is useful if you don't want to download the platform, but you would still like to trade. You can trade using the WebTrader, which is within your browser. So we're going to go ahead and click it. Once again, you're prompted with your username, password, and whether it's a demo or live account. So just like before, we're going to go ahead and enter our username and password. So my username and password's entered. I'm going to go ahead and click login. And just like that, we're logged in, and here is the WebTrader platform. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.